Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about naming the list. So it's pretty straightforward. First of all, I just create a list 3, and here I just type here list again, and here I just type here name of some countries, Canada, comma, USA, comma, and Australia, and enter. Now when I see this list 3 and enter, we have these 3 countries. So now I want to name these countries from 1 to 3. I just type here list 3, list, and here I just type here Canada equal to 1, comma, USA equal to 2, comma, Australia equal to 3, and enter. Now I just type here list 3, and you can see here I have Canada 1, USA 2, and Australia 3. So that's it about creating and naming the lists in Studio. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.